Hello, 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 my economy team. All right. We are going to just narrow in and focus on what you are specifically supposed to be researching for your Latin America challenge. So if you look at your top 5 document, it gives you your focus. You're identifying problems and issues that may come up with when factors of production, such as natural resources, are in short supply. So what I want you to focus on is the natural resources part of factors of production, because there are 4: land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. We are not focusing on labor, entrepreneurship, or capital, only natural resources, which is land. So what you need to do is look at different areas of Latin America, which is Mexico on down, and see what are the natural resources that are there, but specifically which ones are missing, which ones are in short supply, which ones are scarce, which ones are in danger of being all gone. That's what short supply means. So I want you to be very careful that you're not just doing random natural resources. You need to be figuring out which natural resources are in short supply, missing, not there, lacking, all that. In addition to that, your part 2 is that you've got to come up with possible solutions to the problems. So in your team, I need every person to focus on a specific area in Latin America and the natural resources that are missing, not there, or in short supply. And then everybody is going to come up with a solution to the problem. I forgot one thing. Another thing that you're also going to do, once you figure out what natural resource is missing, you need to identify the problems and the issues that are happening because the natural resource is not there. So for example, in Haiti, I'm going to talk about capital because that's not one of your focuses, but in Haiti, after all their earthquakes and everything, they don't have money to rebuild. So they still have dilapidated schools, people don't have clean running water, stuff like that. And that's a problem that they have because they don't have any capital or much capital in order for them to go ahead and rebuild like a normal country would. So you're going to do the same line of thinking process in that you are focusing on natural resources. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense, because what you're going to do is put all of that into a table where each one of you have a section of the table, and you will have one part be the natural resources that are in short supply, the issues that they have, and the problems that or the solutions that you have come up with to solve that. And that needs to be done by Friday. Don't forget to cite your sources on your document. Make sure you have a place where you have cited the sources of different websites and things that you're using. All right, guys, y'all rock. You will do a great job. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.